Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we want to show you this hairstyle again that you obviously love so much on Facebook and on our Instagram account. So we just make an update. I got these strange tools that one can use to make part lines or to incorporate hair. I wanted to try them for such a long time, then finally I got them somewhere in internet, and let's see how it goes. This is how they look like. So I'm parting the hair in a triangle, not in a triangle shape, but in a rectangular shape. It is very easy with these tools because you go exactly where you want to go, where your finger is passing, but just the line. So it's not bad so far. Let's see, you will see how good I cope with them. I'm clipping away the top hair that is in the rectangular shape, and I put the rest of the hair in a low ponytail. Now I'm doing a middle parting. This I do with the comb just because I'm so used to it, and I'm clipping the right hand side away because we are going to start with the left hand side. And I'm preparing the hair. First of all, I'm taking braiding cream. That is it's not gel, it's not really wax, but it smells delicious. You really have to try this. And I think it gives just more grip. It also seems like it smoothens the hair. I really like this cream. I'm using it on my flyaways nearly every day. So when I make high ponytails or just a braid, then I like to tame my hair with it. I'm taking the front section, and here you see that I do it already with the comb, and then I braided and started with the nails, but figured out that I couldn't. So I took them away. We do it the normal way. I spritzed a bit of water to make the hair a bit more smooth because the gel was already getting harder. And I'm taking the front section. I split it into 3 equal strands. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. And we start with the inside strand to bring it under the middle. Inside means to the middle parting, and then the left hand side. And when you bring in the right hand side again, just add in some hair. Now we do exactly the same steps. Bring under the side strand under the middle and add in some hair. Bring the left hand side under the middle and add in some hair. I have longer nails at the moment. I think I will get rid of them very soon because I'm just not used to it. I don't know. Girls, how do you do that with long fingernails? My daily stuff is so complicated. Even putting my cream to my face is harder than normal. I don't know how you do it. Tell me, please. So let's go back to the braiding. It's always the same step. Hold very tight the strands in between of your fingers. You see that I have every strand always in the gaps of my finger, and when I grab new hair, I grab it with the index finger and my thumb, and then bring new hair from the other side under it. So then when my braid is getting thicker, I grab it actually with the whole palm. You have seen me before doing this, you see. Pull it tight. We want a neat result. So pull, and now I'm doing 2 more stitches, and then right at the scalp I add in the hair tie. I'm taking them double normally. You can put first one and then the second, or if they're very elastic, put 2 at the same time. Now we're going to the other side, same procedure. Braiding cream, I love to use the toothbrush, just goes a bit deeper into the hair. It's not only then laying on the top, and I do it all around the edges, all around, all over the top hair, adding in also some gel. And here she has the baby hairs in the front. I add them into the rest of the hair, comb everything neatly through, and then you're good to braid. Front section is only a finger wide, perhaps 1.5, I'm splitting this into 3 equal strands and starting again with the strand that is closer to the middle parting, bringing it under the middle strand and adding in hair. Again, bringing left side under, add in some new hair, and if you see that is not absolutely neat, just use your comb and brush the ends so that they won't tangle. Keep on doing the same steps. Always make sure that you take all the hairs coming from the side. Don't leave any hair in the part line that will make that the result does not look that neat. Pull tight, keep your fingertips always close to the scalp, and separation of strands between the fingers in the gaps of the fingers, like I explained already on the left hand side. And then when you reach the end of your prepared hair, the base of your rectangular, you will add in again right to the scalp the hair ties, here I'm adding the second one in a second step. Pull tight, and now we release the low ponytail, and we are taking in a triangle shape from above the hair to where the little ponytail is, the side hair, and this hair wants wax. I used wax instead of braiding cream to make sure that it really looks neat and sleek. First of all, combing it with the toothbrush, then with my comb, always right to the direction of the hair tie where the ponytail is tied together, and then at the very end I'm using this teething brush because it just makes the perfect finish. So yes, I'm using toothbrush, comb, and then smoothing everything out. So many of you ask me how I have these neat results. This is one way of doing it. Then bring another hair tie over. Don't pull too hard. And I'm also adding some hair gel over the little ponytail just to make sure that she has no crazy flyaways. Again, triangle shape from the beginning or the base of the little ponytail to right behind the ears, and you see how fluffy the fresh washed hair is. So I'm adding in the smooth hair waxes like a cream. I'm combing it through after I applied it with the toothbrush, and then smoothing everything out, pulling it up to the base of the little ponytail. Wrap around the tiny elastic, and now we're going to cover these elastics with a strand of hair. Here you see me putting again an extra one just in case. We don't want hair ties to snap in summer. So first of all, before we cover the hair ties, I'm adding in 2 rings. We didn't want to go too fancy, but a little extra is what we like. So these rings are very easy to apply. No tools needed, just open them with your fingertips. And now with the topsy tail tool, I'm inserting the end into the little ponytail, taking a strand of hair. This strand of hair has some hair gel and very flat, not many hairs. I wrap it 2 or 3 times around the base of the ponytail and then pull the topsy tail through. Do exactly the same on the other side. I'm taking the strand that I wrap around always from the inside, so close to the middle parting. Like I said, it has gel and I wrap it around flat. And now happens what happens nearly every time. I have so slippery fingers that I cannot bring it through. So if you have a little towel or something close by, then use it. Clean your fingers from the gel. That makes it easier. Now, finished touch-up is the spray gel. As we prepared her hair perfectly with braiding cream and gel, there was no need to put foam over, so this is our final result. 2 Dutch braids on the top and the sides bound together with the little ponytails. Hope you like the result. Here's the back view. Give us a thumbs up. See you back soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.